fellow content creators. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of monetizing your YouTube channel using chat. First things first, let's talk about creating engaging content. Chat can help you come up with unique ideas, craft captivating titles, and even write engaging descriptions for your videos. This will not only attract more viewers, but also increase your chances of being discovered by the YouTube algorithm. Next, let's discuss monetization. Chat can assist you in creating effective ads that are tailored to your audience. It can also help you optimize your channel for ad revenue, ensuring that you're earning the most from your content. Remember, creating quality content and monetizing it effectively are two sides of the same coin. Chat can be a powerful tool in your content creation arsenal, helping you make the most of your YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks on content creation and monetization. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling.